I just took a pretty insane trade on the Dow Jones US 30, and I'm going to break it down for you guys in this video. Before we start, I have a gift for every single one of you. And if you want this gift, send me a message on Instagram and ask for the trading risk checklist. So I have this trading risk checklist right here, which basically you guys can see it has risk 1%, 2%, or 3%. And what I'm basing it on is my levels of confidence. Am I feeling low levels of confidence? I'll risk 1%. Medium levels of confidence, I'll risk 2%. And high levels of confidence, I'll risk 3%. So I think it's important to be able to identify when you're looking at a setup, how confident am I feeling on this trade? Am I feeling high levels of confidence where I'm going to risk 3% of my account, or 2% or 1%? Ideally, as a trader, you should not be risking more than 3% per trade that you are in or per setup. That's what I think. So let's get into my computer and I'll break down this trade for you guys. And let's get down to business. So I have the zone marked up on US 30. I am about to take a trade as soon as it hits this fair value gap again right here. Boom, I am in. Have my stops right there. I'm expecting price to keep pushing up. This was my liquidity sweep, as they would say, where we had this low right here. Price came down and swept that away, and now price is looking to go up. So I had this fair value gap marked up on the 15-minute chart. Yep, 15-minute chart from the Asia session. This is where I got that fair value gap, expecting price to come up, close above, which it did, hit it, got our entry, and now I'm expecting price to keep pushing up to this level right here. And I got this level right here on the highs from Tuesday, February 27th. So I'm going to let this trade do its thing, and we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys watch the rest of it. Update on this trade, we're about to hit our 50% point. So what I've been doing recently with my trades is getting my fibs from my entry to my TP and getting the 50% level. And once price hits that level, what I'm doing is I'm actually taking off 50% of my position. So in this part, I'll just take off one contract. With futures, when you're trading, since I bought, what I would do is sell a contract or unit. So once price goes up here, I'm going to sell one contract and then I'm going to trail my stop loss to my entry. So let's wait for that to happen. And usually I'm not sitting here watching the trade. I have alerts. You guys can see I have an alert right here. I have an alert on my TP, and I have an alert on my stop loss. So I'm not sitting here doing nothing all day long. Like, I have a busy life, and once my alert gets hit, I go to my computer real quick or open up the Trading View tab, do my thing, and move on with my day. So let's see price. I want to show you guys this when it goes and hits it so you guys can have a better idea. It was really close a second ago to hitting it. So once it hits that, we're going to take off a contract. So we have 3 contracts right here. And contracts are like lot sizes. That's the way that you guys can think of it with forex. For all of you that don't know, like, I was in the forex space for 9 years, and just like a month and a half ago I switched to futures. It's just a legitimate asset class. I feel not as sketchy, and if you guys have been watching my previous videos, you have seen why I have switched. So watch my previous videos if you guys have not. Super powerful information. So what I want to do is I want to see this trade hit this point, because once that happens, I'll trail my stops to entry, and there will be absolutely no risk on this trade, and then I won't have to really have any worries at that point in time. So I just wanted to go up there, tap real quick, and then keep going up. And the cool thing about futures is if I go to my trade tab right here, I can be looking at my chart but also have this up right here, so I'm super quick and I can just close it really fast. I don't have to sit around and wait. Price is almost to our 50% level. We are about to tap into it and then take off a contract. And you guys, at this level, you can take 50% off, 75, whatever you guys want. I just like taking 50% off of my position at the 50% level, the halfway point to my take profit. So it's really up to you guys what you want to do, but I found this works extremely well. I just want to be locking in profit because I've been in trades where I'll go close to my TP and then I'll go and hit my stop loss, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have dealt with the same exact thing. There we go. So we've taken a contract off. Now what we're going to do is trail our stops to our entry. Now this trade is risk-free. Now this is where my stop loss was before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now get an alert at this level, the 39048. So 39048, and I'm going to put stop loss hit, and then I'll put at entry. So now this trade is 100% risk free. I'm not tripping. No emotion should be involved at this point in time. And I was very patient with this trade today. You guys saw how I waited for price to close above my fair value gap to make it an actual valid fair value gap. A lot of the times when I was trading, I would see price go and hit a fair value gap like it did right here, and I'd be like, all right, it hit the fair value gap, let me rush into the trade. But I've been trying to be more patient, where when price goes and hits my fair value gap, I want price to close above it. Then I want to see a retest into it, and then once I see that retest, that's going to give me the confirmation that I want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys got some value, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys soon. And also, if you guys do want to join my live trading sessions or work with me, go to US30 Live Trading or click the link in my description, and you guys can sign up right here. And we do offer Apple Pay, so it makes it extremely easy. And this is everything that you're going to get. You'll have access to be able to trade with me live on a Zoom call. Talk soon, guys.
Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.